accessories you're ever going to carry is a really great handbag. And you always hear me say, lead with the bag. Because before you're close enough for anyone to see your jewelry, what they're going to notice even from a distance is a really great bag, right? I love this bag. It's one of my favorite bags that we've ever done for you. I was so thrilled that we could get it back in for you. It's a gorgeous luxury leather in these rich, warm brown tones. It's a python embossing, but it's all in the rich browns. It has an equestrian flair to it. Beautiful hardware, lightweight, love that. I love the fact that it'll go right over your shoulder, no problem. Over your arm, no problem. Holding it, no problem. This is one of those bags that can go anywhere you want to go. You can fit a lot into it. It's beautifully, beautifully done. It just looks rich. It just looks like, wow, someone invested in a bag, right? I love the fact that it has that look to it. I love the fact that it's something that you can carry with you every day and it's not heavy. And I love the fact that it's not something you're going to see anywhere else.